Ooh, welcome back, guys. I'm at this Ram 2500. Yes, 5.7 Hemi, guys. Okay, ticking noise. Supposedly, they think they have the Hemi tick, and I don't know why they're so fixated on this being a Hemi tick, seeing that this 125,000 miles. It's likely out of warranty. Now, before I even, it should be cold right now. Let me start it up, guys. Let's take a listen to something right quick. We're gonna try to get to the bottom of this. All right, let me start this up. Oh, I can tell. Oh, y'all hear that? I can tell. Where's the hood? I can tell off the bat that is not a Hemi tick. Y'all hear that? Ladies and gentlemen, that is a tick, but it's not. It's not from. Hey, it's on this side too. Okay, it's first thing in the morning, cold. That is not a lifter camshaft type tick. All right, guys, do not get fooled, do not get tricked, okay? That is merely, in my opinion, now you don't know for sure until you get in it, but I can almost certain that that exhaust stud, that nut in the back, in the rear of the cylinder head has come apart, has broken. It's a known problem with these. Okay, now they have since redesigned the exhaust manifold. I have seen one on the newer model Hemi. Okay, they got a whole new manifold on it. Something about the way they was bolting up to the exhaust manifold, and it's bolting up to the cat, things like that. But you see it, you don't hear it no more, right? So hypothetically, if this was a lifter or a camshaft tick noise, it likely would still be there. Now guys, I did something I preach about all the time, and I apologize. I want to apologize. Never take a suspected engine repair, or never start a suspected engine problem, engine repair job without first verifying the oil level. Okay, guys, don't take things for granted, man. You can get set up, or it can just happen honestly. You can literally fire this car up, take it in the shop, and it lock up on you, seize up on you on the way into the shop, due to no oil. Okay, yes. So I didn't do it on this one. I want to apologize. I'm a big fan of verifying oil level. Look at that, the noise gone is my point. So I suspect, like I say, exhaust bolts. I didn't get to the point, like I can tell that's the problem merely by listening to it. So as far as, and when you do one side, you're doing them all anyway, so it really don't matter as far as verifying which ones broke. All right. Yeah, some people would do, like I can hear it on this side here. Some people would just do that side. Some people sell both. I'm gonna get with the writer and find out how they want to deal with it. Okay. So guys, for now, I'll just dub this video something like the difference between Hemi lifter, not lifter, Hemi, yes, lifter camshaft valve train ticking noise, or a Hemi exhaust ticking noise. They are two different things, guys. They sound totally different, and they should be diagnosed differently. All right. All right, with that being known and said, that's all I have for right now, guys. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere, man. I'll be right back. All right, guys, let's go this way. In my stall, let me tell you what I'm dealing with. I'm waiting on authorization, actually. I got a bumpy noise on bumps. You know, when the car, the front end hit a slight bump, the suspension go. All right, now, guys, everybody know this is a 300, right? The LX body. Everybody is aware of the tensioner struts that always give us problems. Normally, I stick a pry bar under there and pry up on it. If I have a lot of play in this, I always recommend this bar. This one on each side. I got a video out on me replacing these. Watch this video right here. But as far as that crunching noise when you hit a bump, a couple things I recommend you can do, guys. There's a lot of ways of finding suspension problems. You can get under here and just start banging on stuff. This is kind of hot, but I've heard cat converters cause that. You hit on it, That's not the case on this one, but that's a couple things. Just start banging on stuff underneath the whole complete exhaust. All right, now I'm gonna show you where I found my problem from in a minute. But yeah, the exhaust can cause into thinking you have, oh my goodness, I hope I didn't miss a lot of audio, but the exhaust can mislead you into thinking you have suspension noise. Okay, now let's go on up to the front suspension. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a sway bar. All right, now what I typically do is I even bang on that. Notice you don't hear nothing right here. Let's go to this side. You hear that? Let's go back to this side. Nothing. So, and this is exactly where the side my noise was coming from. Okay, so now these are what do they call these? Sway bar links, I want to say. Okay, from time to time they'll fail, and this sway bar also has bushings in between right here. So that's a couple things you can try to upsell. The sway down the bar itself. Only way the bar is responsible for the noise if it's coming apart inside. Okay, for the most part, it's just a sway bar to help with steering. All right, so it's just bolted to the cradle via attachments. Number one, this bracket right here and this bushing is supposed to cushion the blow. This link's supposed to cushion the blow. It's not doing its job. Y'all hear that? So when you hit a bump, you're hearing this. All right, not so on this side. But you don't want to just do one side. And be careful too, guys. I've seen rack and pinions trick people. Okay. So just a lot of things you have to look at when it comes to suspension. This is just a quick overview of what I just want y'all to see. One thing you can check. I'm going to get these tensioner struts, and I got steering links and steering link stabilizing bar bushing. All right. That's got to be gone. If not, you're going to keep hearing that noise. We already verified it's not the cats. So, look the whole car over, guys. I'm just telling y'all, showing y'all what I found. It's not like a tutorial video. It's just a typical day in the shop video down here in my stall. I hope they buy this. My mic keep cutting in and out, guys. I hope they buy this. We'll see, guys. Stay tuned.